Welcome to Created by Helen Ann. I'm Helen Ann. In the video today I wanted to answer a question. I've started making a granny square blanket using the Sunny Granny Square pattern, which is available from the Attic24 blog. And I wanted to work out how long it was going to take me to complete a square. Each square is made up of 5 rounds. I'm only doing the first 4 and I'm using the 5th round to join all of the squares together. I know that I'm going to need 54 squares to complete the size of blanket that I'm looking for. For this square, I'm going to be using the chunky yarn called Party Time, and I'm sure you'll agree it's definitely colourful. So I have my yarn, I have my hook, and I have a kitchen timer. So let's give it a go. Start the timer and we'll see how long it takes me to make the granny square. I'll be back in a bit. So I now have my answer. It's going to take me approximately 11.5 to 12 minutes to create the first 4 rounds of the Sunny Granny Square. That's 1. 53 more to go. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. And until next time, I wish you smiles and happiness.